I'm here touring a home in the beautiful Colville forest. Why don't you come through and take a look with me? Take a look at that view. Very rustic feeling. It's got a wraparound porch. You can go straight up here or go out the other side. We're gonna go through first. Got a split entrance, up, down. We'll go up. Walk right into the kitchen. And look at those huge windows. Looking back at the stairs. That beautiful wraparound porch goes all the way around the house. We got the primary bathroom here. Got a jetted tub. Some storage, it looks like. It's got something in front of it. I'm not gonna open it. Here's the primary bedroom. Got a closet. The storage up above. And go downstairs. Got some extra more bedrooms down there. Very rustic feeling, lots of wood. Here we have appliances, washer, dryer. Right here in front, this is the water pressure tank. Got a water filter right there. Then right next to it, you got the black and the gray. This is the water softener. And of course, you got the hot water heater. Using this as a little storage room too. Toolbox. We got first bedroom. Check out this door. This is fun. It's like you, I don't know, could do like a jail cell kind of feel. I think you can open from the other side. Let's see. Yeah, you can open it. Talk to someone through the door if you want to. Bedroom. And looks like we got a little bit of storage under here under the sliding door. Just a little storage nook. Oh, and then we got this little closet here too. Yeah, so that'd be your closet for hanging clothes or whatever you want to do in there. Another fun door. This one doesn't have a... oh, it does have something fun. Oh, here, look at this. The top and bottom open. That's fun. You can just open the top if you want to. Someone was having fun with this house. But here's the bedroom. On the outside. Carpet looks in decent condition, or looks in great condition. Right across, we got the bathroom, shower. In this room is, they have the furnace in here. So this is a really interesting furnace. I'll show you kind of using the workshop looks like. That's the door outside. So you come straight outside. They were storing wood right here. And this, so they have a blower on the left here. The brown thing is a big blower. And this is a wood furnace. So you're using that to heat the house. But the lower part's electric, but then the wood. Looks like they got these ducts. They're using it for like a kind of like a central heating, blowing it all through the house. It's interesting, I've never seen that before. To the outside. Oh yeah, more storage bins for wood. Just take a look at that. We got some propane there. And it looks like a well right there. And looks like maybe a greenhouse, something going on here. Oh, yeah, greenhouse maybe. Got a little chicken wire so you can open get some cool air in if you want to. Or close it to keep heat in. Thermostat, and know how hot the plants are getting. Here is the barn. Ooh, look at all those birds. I'm wondering if maybe they're all wound up because I'm here. We'll see if they'll let me in or not. I want to walk around and go up this porch up here. It wraps all the way around the entire house. Bet you they get all sorts of wildlife through here. Bet you they have elk and deer, moose. Moose love the water. The bears and cougars, all sorts of good stuff out here. The metal roofs. That's good for winter and snow. Surrounded by trees. So over here is a root cellar for storing all sorts of things you want to stay nice and cool. Side of the shop. It's got a big heavy door on it. It's wood. And then that gets that door real tight. Not messing around. Oh, a double door. It's a big heavy metal door. Oh, the ceiling's cement too. Cement. I can be able to see in there. There you go. Into the root cellar. Looks like drain in case you need it. Looks like dirt, earth right here. And then cement on top of it. Oh, got thermostat. Let's see, I can't really tell. Maybe somewhere 45 maybe here. I'm not sure. Obviously they get water through there, so they put the bucket there, but I'm not exactly sure what's on top of the look. Watch for ventilation. Only another one right here. And then they got and we got maybe some living quarters in here. We'll have to go see this one. And I love this little outhouse. That's fun. It's Go check this one out. Tons of wood, so much wood. Oh, there we go, got it. Either for storage or guests or whatever you'd like. Got a little panel. Storage, tack room, not seeing the light, it's just the outside. I'm not opening right now. So anyway, hard to see, but storage area. Floor feels a little bit flimsy, but also I'm a big guy and it's holding me up just fine. So. But this outhouse may not be very pretty in there. Let's see. Nope, not super pretty, but it's working. That's good. More sheds over here. Great big pine tree. I want to say Douglas fir. It looks like a Douglas fir to me. But I think it probably is. Let's see what we got in this shed. Unit for storage. Got a lawnmower in here. Let's go check out this one. I'm gonna peek my head in the window. So yeah, stalls. All metal. And it's got a metal roof. Probably needs some repairs. It doesn't look terrible. Got a big piece that fell off over here. Or is that siding? It'd be siding. Oh yeah, I think it's the roof right there. You can see that if we were around that side right there. Just a shop, work area. Got another wood stove over there. It's nice and warm in here. And a big door. Get your equipment in. And it's insulated in this part, so that's good. Looks like we got some birds trying to come through. Okay, don't see any birds in here, so that's good. These look like some sort of a fruit tree. I don't know what though. I'm gonna take a look up to this building. The old growth. This firs. It's cool. Those white ones over there are birch, and behind it's a cottonwood. The big tall one in the back. Like an equipment shed. And then it's a big trough and watering tub. Looks in good shape. And then down here, you got some sort of a feeding trough. You can kind of see it on this of the trees. There's a pond. There's fruit trees over here again. Yeah, and they got a salt lick underneath it. One last big 360 here. It's a house and the shop. Fruit trees and another shop up there. Small pond and watering trough. And the bunkhouse and outhouse. Beautiful, love this area. Love the trees, the forest. It's so beautiful out here. This is a good angle to look at the house's roof from. Just wanted to zoom in and show you. It looks pretty good in my opinion. Obviously you'd want to have an inspector check it out, but house's roof looks like it's in pretty good shape.